Okay guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're all having an awesome day. I'm only just started my day. It is 10 to 12. Real good. But as you can tell, we're not in the Beamer. I'm going to start today off by actually taking my girlfriend's car down to work, and we're going to be tinting the rear lights. I keep losing my voice for some reason. Don't know why. So yeah, we're going to go take this down to work, tint the rear lights, and see where we go from there. I think she wants badges deleted on the back as well, but I am actually doing this all without her knowing. I haven't told her. I haven't actually told her that I'm going to be taking her car today. So she's gone to see her family. I'm technically stealing her car again, but that's not going to be the title of the video. Anyway, we'll leave it at that. I'm going to catch up with you guys when we're down at work and getting on with this. All pulled in. We're going with the light smoke on the rear. Oh, hello. Just locked yourself with the keys in the car. No, no, do not do that. Imagine if the windows were shut. Always safety procedure. I leave the windows open on all the cars just because I have a habit of putting the keys on the seat, and caught it right here on video. It locked itself with the keys in it. But these lights, I thought they were flat. They've actually got, like, from where this line is, they come flat and then curve out. Oh, it just locked itself again. But anyway, I'm going to get to cleaning the rear lights up, claying the lights. You've seen it all before if you did watch my video. If you didn't, then all I'm going to be doing, cleaning it with some alcohol, clay barring it to get rid of any contaminants on it, and then we can then start laying the film. Alright, so guys, as you can see, we have tinted one light. At the beginning I thought I was going to get away with tinting both lights and leaving the reflectors, but I think I'm going to have to do the reflectors as well, and possibly the brake light. I'm not so sure about the brake light yet though, but you can tell a slight difference. This is obviously the lighter shade compared to my one on my car, which if you guys haven't yet checked that video out yet, go check that video out. I will figure out how to put it in this top corner. But yeah, I'm going to get to doing that one and probably the reflectors as well, and we'll see how we go. I also called her. She does want to get rid of the badges, the A1 and the TFSI badges, but she wants black ones on it, which I think will look pretty sleek, to be honest. Having black badges on a black car is almost like having, say, a panel wrapped, but having like writing underneath the wrap. I forget what they call it, but basically where you put a sticker down and then wrap over the top of it. It's almost, it reminds me of something like that, basically. But anyway, I'm going to get to doing that. I'm going to stop rambling, and we shall have a look once I'm done. That is the car, fully tinted. Obviously, reflectors, you can barely see down the bottom anymore. This light is a little bit lighter just because the light is on it. But yeah, she's looking good. I think I'm going to leave the brake light just because I haven't got an offcut big enough for the brake light, and I don't really want to just be chopping up our tint, because obviously we use that for in business hours, and we haven't really got much left compared to our dark roll, and light smoke is our most common one. So yeah, I'm going to leave it at that. Actually, probably got enough time to just get the badges off, maybe. Yeah, let's do it. Whoever invented the toffee wheel, my hand goes out to you. I salute you. This is like the best thing ever. Best invention ever. There we go, so much better. Look at my chavvy little self in the background with my hood up. I told you, it's cold, alright? Leave me alone.
Alright guys, so I'm currently filming this outro after work, as you can tell. I did actually edit this video last night. I completely forgot to film an outro, and it was too late at night to come out and film an outro, or just film an outro at all. So I've done it today. I'm sorry this video was a little bit short. I did have more plan for the whole video, but the end part of the video fell to shit. Because I do think I mentioned in the last clip that, or one of the clips, that I was actually going to look at a garage with my friend Jake. Well, that fell through. It turns out the two garages that we wanted to rent right next to each other. I suppose I can explain it a little bit, but the two garages that we wanted to rent right next to each other were on a residential estate. So the guy didn't want us to. Basically, he sent me a message saying that the residency of the whole area didn't want those garages rented out to non-residents, if that makes sense. So we couldn't end up renting them, and that was a really good opportunity as well, because he was actually telling me that I could knock through the middle of the two garages to make one big one, which would have been really, really good. But unfortunately, it all fell through, and that made the end of the video just fall through. So I'm going to cut it here. I hope you did enjoy. Make sure you stick around for my next video, and maybe we've got some better news next video. I'll leave it at that. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and I shall see you next time.